UCC graduate any BMSno former worker at Media General TV3 Abena Korkor aba abontin and some who do be efa ye Ghana for emrantie ne emaba we bi amamanfo enho edwuro mo pa ewo oman mu hwe bebia ne ho asem ele wo amanfo ano so a wo mo eka na ne nua enne se abawe enrada de cameras nim ebobobobo ye amanfo awodo a wono omo edi ehia ewo empemu na empemu agro asemu nya asem ketwa na according to Abena Korkor yi wone emmema pole 100 enu krampo ye estimated number and wono omo edi ehia ewo empemu na ensem no okoyo no ankasa asem no oka danso maybe awom so very respected personalities edin bi ebepiemu ewo mu bi ama eno enenam so ma ensem pia amanfo chenestre ene abasa na emai a wobo mu edin no ebusuafo nana aba Anamoah asesi ade woye managing director de Emma EIB network GH1 Star FM ne de keka wono wono ne din ewo mu bi sa so na Lydia Forson so edin ebepie mu ebi na ensem abawe eka ede efa wo mu ene se abrante ba ko bi ne din ede Kojo Yankson no so ye media personality wono na te say abawe according to ne information de betudwa enrada no abrante we one no atwesu bi pen anya asebketwa abrante awobo na ama no te say ne ho asisi ne ho so a na te say no nti no wo pa abrante ya sempa so ne nyemu na abrante no oni ba ku say de man no de no ete no hot so keke na te say emam yenu yi na ni ewo no wo mo so a te say wo pe o mo a wode wo mo je ne ho me na ebusuafo according to Abena Korkor yi abrante na wone Kojo Yankson yi no wone nana apa Anamoah any Lydia Forson twempna at the same time ebra nana aba Anamoah nyinsi no so no mo mienu nya tweso the same time mo nia ida se no mo nia enim se sa na ekoso mpo ana se wo mo enim po se wone yonko ewe so twempna na so mo ete empra ache ase ene so no Abena Korkor no abrante ndi information no de ema no ne biso fo yenkotie se na bawe de nsem no atudwa ne ba ekire nsem a de ewe aba no na ese aka ho asem so
I was afraid because these are people that I empower. Recently, whenever I was told that I'll be coming on the Delay show, yes, Kojo Yankson, I mentioned his name some years ago, that we had sex. Yeah, we had sex. Yeah, it was fun. I think I wanted more, but to him, I was just like, a big bum that he's having fun with. I think he was actually dating Anamoah, and I think also fucking Lydia Forson at the same time. Yeah, I just hope like the two women knew and they were okay with that, because Anamoah is older than Kojo Yankson, so I didn't really see any marriage there, but they wanted like a very respectable let me use my word, companionship. So what would I say about yes, back to the Day's interview.
na ebusuafo metie masumunsem na aba Anamoah any Lydia Forson no mu eat the same meat either so no mu yawe anase no mu nyawe atese Abena Korkor no ye dessert over the main meal na ekoso atese Kojo Yankson na wodi say djuma no ewo mai afa na se na meka no kane no abawe edit udwa woni video no 2-hour long video no emu se emranti ono ma date no bebre na celebrities known figures, public figures. It is a amount for anyone na already no na abrante bi edin abeto abonte Giovanni Caleb ono so eduma wo media general wo ne din be da abonte so oni abayo echisu da ma okodile show so deny said da oni abayo wo bia na abayo betima abonte ne yare wo no so fi UCC bre obi enim say or bipolar disorder. I don't know. Yeah, dream we are ready. Very hyper, very energetic. Ma wo dream somewhere be we grandpa. Ma depressed about life. Feel say we more attention. No be no abayo so na Giovanni Caleb editor say e betima ba say sa ya re na ma abayo ne ekasa ema enunti no delay e so invite abayo Abena Korkor e ba ni show so no beji tu say Giovanni Caleb atropa wan osuro ne yire enti no beka say enye no kure but ono de ade a abrante ne na dapen na no echi ene this wakobobo abrante emrante ebinum so muso wo media fraternity no ebi edin atese eno nso abeya hudre ede amaga na fododo na ebinu eno KOD any ebiemon enso no Lexus bill ono no nanse ya no wade yo ye ne ba ne yere ayefro afi mu ibusia for Lexus bill eso edi bepiem bi say oni Abena Korkor wo ma hyeso pen sa so na Victoria Lebene ni kunu awoware no Eugene Encounter adodo na enim na as blogger nkonkonsa wono so din bepiem bo no de according to abayo yi no wan peneda ono no entimi ntwi so sa ono no leki bi na brand na leketi say wenya to fefo fra wo fefo wenya asem ke to leki ni manu say yes leki panie no ntino ma no A1 say leki do ya de wo pa but empem agro no mentimi anto so ankoyesa say na KOD na sa be no wo na KOD no na ofele no ntina say KOD ka kire ne say Eugene no no small boy ntina say want me ndi big daddy ensa me this small boy encounter na say enunti enwa ma Eugene kwan amana nra na se ho no bi na so ni niemu no still na no Eugene no enenam ni DM mu etese no say wo ma ne kwan no ni emedi ehia ebujofo enu nkoda enchen politician na formally no or youth organizer edema NPP amanyuko no Sami Ewuku ono nso edin bepie mu bi ebusafo eno na aba sabere yi obia eka wonsem yenkotie abayra no se no wode bobo emrante yi edin nsem okeka awo mu na yeba ensem no ye diesi.
I could just say, yes, I fuck these guys. Yes, I fuck them all. Like, I fuck them all. KOD, Sami Ewuku, Maya, Kojo Yankson, Lexus Bill Karami, I fucked him before. She's not so good in bed. Victoria Lebane's husband, Nkonkonsa. I don't know, I can't get myself to fuck him. But gosh, that guy likes pussy so good. Like, you are married now. Every day you're in my DM. He wants to come and see me. He wants to come and see me for what? As for sex, me and you, it won't happen. It won't happen. Unfortunately, when I met you, I think one time KOD saw the two of us working together. And I was saying, hey, what are you doing with my small boy? Since I was going to make you with this show. What are you doing with my small boy, Eugene? See, it just stuck in my head. Like, it just registered in my head. Like, if I ever fuck this Nkonkonsa boy, if I fuck Eugene in cancer, like, it will hit kill.
Ayo, masumwa matimu ensem na ebusiafo amount for the na to say abayo yi ne ya renti ni ya sembrante a wabo mu di nyaasa media personalities ata mu ya celebrities amount for enimom no na say twi no machi abayo yi edi wo mu nimpa so wo yare ne yare no ni semba ye no beto ete say ebeto abonte so mo bi eten ho ensem minti so ma go on no mu na kwa bibi de na so ma take advantage of her wo ma hweda pa na wo nim se wo ye attention ye sick no ntino wo ma kasa hyeda ye te do mo pe na asom koboa no alom de ko wura ne dross ma ene wo no abeka no num nsem ate so wagu wo mo enim ase ne nti wo mo ensakra emphasize because dodo na no eya wadefo a wo mo ete wo mo eyire ho nti sa Anamoah wo mutu no wo mo esefatanimguase a aba wo mo eso na ebusafo edi awodo bobo wo mo din wo mo nia react na aba Anamoah mbaye Lydia Forson mbaye samye wukusu mbaye Lexus bill onkasa ye sa so na KOD mo so emekasa nti na ebusafo ye hwe se ni video ye odi abetu dwai wo no side of the story no wo nso ewakonya so mekasa nti wo mo dia mo betu dwa bia no ebusafo ye de besomo ewo sa kwan no eso na musumetimi enya emu ensemate na se de Ghana ye try se be fix country no bi so fix wo mo ho wo sumase a enye asem ketwa me de be si ase wadwenchefa ensem yi ho enesen bomo de anefa so me we comment section ho na share video we on all the social media platforms follow too much gh or Instagram Twitter so at too much gh_, Facebook so too much gh nana mo wiso a enimidi masan enimodi ehia bim na me ye adoma makramunia bye bye.